Hello, Twitch.
Hey.
I'm with Travis. Travis is part of the Twitch team, right? Twitch dev team. He's a solutions architect, and we are live from reInvent here. So, first of all, what is a solutions architect? What do you do?
Absolutely, great question. So I manage the solutions architect team at Twitch,
Yeah.
which primarily works directly with third-party developers to build, design, and develop extensions, drops, any of these products that they can integrate to grow their game and to actually get broader outreach to viewers.
So it's directly influencing the Twitch
Yes,
people
yeah,
that are
absolutely.
live, right?
It's always great to be on Twitch.
So he's probably done some of the code that you are probably using right now. So what are the cool things you've been working on actually for Twitch?
Yeah, so this year's been really awesome. We've actually cranked up extensions quite a bit, so I've worked with a lot of developers on extensions. I got to work with Blizzard on some of the Overwatch League stuff.
Oh, nice.
And then we have some stuff coming out later this month for StarCraft 2, so stay tuned for that.
And you mentioned there's a AWS extension as well for Twitch?
Yes, yeah. So actually just Tuesday we announced the Twitch AWS Extensions Challenge.
Oh, the challenge.
Yeah, so we have I think it's about a 3-month competition where if you build an extension for Twitch using AWS services, there's a $15,000 grand prize, and so it'll be really awesome to see what you guys build.
Oh, that's cool. So you should definitely get cranking and start building things. What do you do when you don't work? I mean, you got a beard, so you're cool,
yes,
right?
yeah, I appreciate that. Yeah, so I am a huge gamer. I play a lot of games.
Which games?
So right now I've been playing a lot of Switch because I've been traveling. So I just got Diablo 3 for that. I'm enjoying it. But when I'm not playing games, one of my obsessions is actually restoring old arcade games. Okay. So like getting old like Pac-Man, Donkey Kong, arcade cabinets and fixing them up. It's a lot of fun.
What other good ones you have at home? Like
so
precious one.
Yeah, Donkey Kong's my favorite. Space Invaders, Centipede, Pac-Man. Got a Neo Geo. I got Street Fighter 2, Mortal Kombat 2. You know, just the greatest.
Do you remember your first game that you played when you were a kid?
I think I have fond memories of playing Duck Hunt a lot. At the time, I was holding the light gun up to the screen, and I thought that was the way to play. I was like, I'm so good at Duck Hunt, but turns out it's actually you need to stand a little further back. So yeah.
And what are you good at now? Which game is that?
Oh, I'm too old to be good at games. Yeah.
That's what I say as well.
I'm aged out at this point, but I still play a lot of games. I really enjoyed Mega Man 11, so I like to play some of the classics and some of the newer like remasters of the classics.
Yeah, I tried to play Fortnite once and I was killed by my nephew who was 5 in literally 10 seconds. So.
I don't last long in those games.
No, it's cool.
Yeah.
So about reInvent, right?
Yeah.
Did you get inspired? What's your takeaway from this year's reInvent?
Man, every year it's just bigger and bigger. It's amazing to see how much it's grown and how big of a community there is. Yeah. I'm definitely like looking forward to working more with gaming as AWS gaming stuff grows. I've actually been to I think this is my 5th reInvent, so I was at the second one, I think.
So you've seen it grow.
Yeah, it's grown a lot, man. It's crazy. Yeah.
So what are the best technologies you think might be good for developers that are online to actually get acquainted with?
Yeah, absolutely. So I think for Twitch, if you're building an extension, there's some really good services like Lambda and API Gateway, where you can actually build a serverless backend for a Twitch extension. I think those are really good fits. I think with drops, you can actually use S3 and some of the big data services to analyze the viewership data that you're receiving. So I think there's a lot of places where Twitch and AWS are a really good fit for game developers to make integrations.
And my last question is what it is to be SA at Twitch. I mean, you probably have access to tons of cool technology and things like this.
It's a lot of fun actually, just to be able to work with the different product teams and see what they're building. And we have staff betas all the time, so being able to try that stuff out before it's come out is really amazing. It's the greatest place to work for sure.
What were the things you tried that really blew your mind and now have become really big?
Yeah, I mean, I think the extension stuff as we were building it, it was, extensions launched last year, and being able to work on the betas of that before it came out, you realize that this is going to be, a brand new thing for interactivity on Twitch.
Thanks a lot, Travis, for this insight and spending time with Twitch. And well, see you soon, Twitch. Bye bye.
Bye. Thank you.